Hi everyone, this is the 5th video in the Tiny Techno Pseudo language tutorials. We're looking at the mix commands today. So these are effects that go over the entire mix. We've already looked at the drum machine, the bass, the synthesizer, and the sampler. This is the final element of controlling the entire mix effects. I'm going to set up a quick groove and then we'll get started. So we're going to kick going first. Some hi-hats. A bass line, let's try that, and we'll give it a gated pattern. Let's go 255, 79, see what happens. That's fine. I'm going to send the same riff to the synth. Different pattern, 99.33, there we go. And then I'm going to chuck some delay on there. Delay command, and turn it up. Change that pattern a little bit. There we go. All right, now that I have a groove, let's look at the mix. We have a low pass filter, a high pass, reverb, and a glitch effect. So, low pass. I say mix, LP, I'll go down to 200 Hertz. And there's our low pass. Back up to 20,000. There we go. Same with the high pass. There it is, that's the high pass. We have reverb, mix, reverb. It's from 0 to 100, so let's chuck 50 and we'll get half the volume of reverb. Up to 100. And you'll notice these three effects are ramped. So the low pass ramps down from one number to another smoothly, same with the high pass, and the reverb does the same thing. The last thing you want over the entire mix is just like these sort of effects that's just cut in and cut out, and it can be really jarring. The next is a glitch effect, which may take some explaining. I'll show you what it sounds like. Okay. This is how it works. If I go to the pure data patch and click on the mixer, excuse the mess, this array over here, basically we can choose how often it triggers to record a really short sample of 100 milliseconds to this array. And then we can say also how often do we want to re-trigger the length of the playback of that. So it takes a really small sample, loops it, gives it that glitch effect, and we can say how often we record a new sample to be the glitch sound, and then how it sort of randomizes the length of that loop of that wave file for that glitchy effects. And we can say how often do we want to make a random number for that playback length. Let's have a look at that. So I say mix, glitch, vol. Let's make it loud so we can hear it. Mix trig 4. So every glitch, sorry, mix glitch trig 4. We'll say every 4 16th notes, set a new length of the glitch looping. And we can see that happening here in this number. Every quarter note that's happening. Sorry, every 4/16th notes. It's triggering that number to change. We can also say how often do we want to record that sample. Mix, glitch, record. Let's do it every 5 steps. Let's do it more often. There we go. There we go. Mix, glitch. I'm going to record a new sample every 10/16th notes. And I'm going to say change how often we re-trigger the sample length. Every 6. And you get really different sounds. Sorry, mix, glitch. Yeah. Mix glitch volume 0. Sorry. Again, just like the sampler, when you stop the metronome, it'll keep playing, so you need to turn the volume down. That's the effects we chuck over the whole mix. There's a lot of fun to be had with the glitch effect, and I've found when I'm doing sets of 40 minutes or so that these come in handy. 40 minutes plus, you really do need a bit of downtime. DJs use these effects on their mixes for a reason, because it changes stuff up. And if I was to chuck an effects processor after this in a chain, then I've got even more options. So the way I often use this is to use the tiny Techno Pseudo language, and then I'll have my Chaos Mini set up, and then I've got access to more effects as well. But if I don't have access to that, it's not going to last forever. I've still got these global mix effects that I can use. So really, I think you can now do a good set for making minimal techno on the fly using the system. I'll be really interested to see what people do with it. You can load in your own custom samples. If you're a pure data nerd, you can go in and change all these things and do what you want with the system to make it yours as well. If you're not happy with the systems I've built, if you've got improvements, just do them. That would be awesome to see. Any questions, comments, you know what to do. Have fun. Thanks, bye.